I got this nice old receiver made by SABA. It's the model Ultra HiFi 9080, and I don't have any speakers hooked up to it yet, and I haven't cleaned it yet. It's really dirty, and you can see it's all in German. So this is volume, bass, treble and balance. This is the headphone jack, which is a special type of DIN jack, power switch, and then this is some kind of quadraphonic receiver. Well, it is not for playing quadraphonic sources, but it can make a quadraphonic signal out of a stereo signal. So this is stereo mode and this is quadraphonic mode, and this is linear. This switch turns off the loudness. Mono, then the selector, tape, phono, FM, and then the AM section, long wave, medium wave, short wave. It has a very big dial. And here we have 3 indicator lights, FM, stereo and AM. And here we have, this is the normal FM section. And here we have 5 additional FM presets. You can select with these buttons. And it's analog, so every button has here a little dial, and you can adjust it. This is the here for the dial, and a meter which tells you how strong the station is. And let's turn it on. The power switch is damaged. Sometimes it's not possible to switch it off again. And FM, I don't have speakers hooked up to it, but it's working. I tested it. You can see the meter moves, and here the scale, and the stereo lights up sometimes. It seems like the FM and the AM light, no, this one lights up too, you can see. But the FM light and the dial lights, and for the little meter, the lights, they seem to be burned out. So I have to work on this receiver. And let's take a look onto the back side. On the back side you can see the antenna, which can be taken off. Here it goes into the receiver. Here we have the speaker output jacks, which are also DIN jacks. The power cord. Here are the input jacks. I already said this one has only an input for tape and for phono. And phono has 2 jacks, 2 DIN jacks. One jack for a magnetic cartridge and one for, I don't know how you call it, a crystal cartridge, or the cheap cartridges, the very cheap cartridges. And here, behind there, yes, here we have antenna jacks for AM here, and here we have this little thing here. Using this little thing, it makes a shortcut. You can see there are 3 holes, and you stick it into the holes, and using this thing here you can select that the antenna here is the FM antenna only, and you have to hook up an AM antenna here, or you can select this is the antenna for AM and FM, and you don't have to hook up an antenna here. My SABA Ultra HiFi 9080 receiver. I changed its dial lights and now it lights up again. Switch it on and you can see it lights up. I hooked it up to this pair of really nice, really small Telefunken speakers, which are sounding really nice. The other one is over there behind the Sony receiver. And I also hooked up this ultrasound cassette deck. Well, I wish I could hook up a better cassette deck, but, well, there is not enough space. So, FM radio.
Musik einfach. Begrüßt nehmende Musik.
And I already told you this receiver has some additional FM things. Well, the big dial and these smaller dials. Let's try this.
Leuten das geben kann, wonach sie verlangen, damit die Einnahmen steigen.
Missile strike by American aircraft. The White House has
hier 1984 von der Kost
Okay, now AM radio, long wave. Well, long wave has not that much stations. Medium wave. Oh.
Таких угроз для косовских албанцев.
Today there are only stupid things. Shortwave. Let's try shortwave. Well, nothing there. Anyway, well, it says Band, which is German, and that means tape. So, tape. And here is the ultrasound cassette recorder, which already has its own video, so I will not present this one. But here is a cassette, and okay. I hope you enjoyed this presentation video of my SABA Ultra HiFi 8090 receiver